Hello, this is Miss Gasparini. I'm making another video for my lovely RPI mathematicians and any other first grade mathematicians who might be watching. In this video, I am going to be talking about two-digit subtraction without regrouping. So we didn't really have the chance to go into this in depth at school. We had started it around the time we closed. So I thought this video would be helpful so that you had a refresher or you had an example of the process before you started working in your math packets. We will go over this again when you come back too, so don't worry. We'll be spending a lot of time with this, but I thought it would be nice just to have an example. Today's example is 29 minus 14. And just like with addition, we're going to do the same thing to start. We are going to set it up as a vertical problem. And it's for the same reason. I would like to separate my tens and ones so I don't confuse myself. So I have 29 on top and I have 14 on the bottom, 29 minus 14. I've also set up my place value chart and you might be noticing this looks a little bit different. I am only showing 29 on this place value chart. This is because in subtraction, you're taking away from a whole rather than combining two parts. So the only number you need to draw for subtraction is the whole. Our whole in this instance is 29. So I have drawn 2 tens and 9 ones. Now I'm going to be taking away 14 from 29. Like with addition, I'm starting with the ones. I have 9 ones. I need to take away 4. So I have these 9 ones. I'm taking away 4 of them. I'm going to start by crossing 4 out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I had 9 ones. I crossed out 4. Let's see how many ones I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 ones left. All right, now it's time to take away tens. I have 2 tens. I need to take away 1. So I am going to cross out 1 10 because that's how many I need to take away. And now I'm going to count how many I have left. I have 1 10 left. All right, so now that I've taken away the 4 ones and I've taken away the 1 10, I'm going to put what I have left with my vertical subtraction sentence, excuse me. I have 5 ones left and I have 1 10 left. So I have 1 10 and 5 ones. This means if I take away 14 from 29, I have 15 left. This means 29 take away 14 is 15, which means 29 minus 14 equals 15. I hope this was clear. Next time we are going to work on subtraction with regrouping. So this is something we didn't get to at all at school. And I am very excited to make that video because I think it will be very helpful as a refresher. I know this is a very new concept for my girls, but you girls are such dedicated, hardworking mathematicians. I know you're going to do a great job and work really hard at home while you're practicing your math. I hope to see you again soon. And I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. Bye-bye.